Welcome back guys, with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie Infinity collab with Bird. Keeps you fresh. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, the Nike shoes here on the fake one is a little bit smaller. Pay attention to this. The gap between the Nike shoes and the line here, the white line, is too far compared to the authentic. And you can see here the stitching is missing one line here. You can see compared to the authentic. You can see here. Another one, this one is too much, it's too long on the fake one compared to the authentic. The stitching here goes all the way down to the midsole. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, you can see the stitching is missing one line also compared to the authentic here. And this one, you can see just like the other colorways, the stitching here is too dense compared to the authentic. It's a little bit wider than the fake one. The fake one is a little bit narrow, and the fake one is end up like a V letter. You can see here, V letter, whereas on the authentic is like a letter. And this one also slightly to the right of the midsole curve. This one, the upper, you can see on the authentic. And this one also stitching is too narrow compared to the authentic. Looking from above here, you can see the keeps you fresh is a little bit smaller compared to the authentic one. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see here on the authentic one we can see clearly the Vol Kyrie logo, whereas on the fake one it's slightly come up. We cannot see the full logo here. Take a closer look, you can see it's not placed right in the middle, it's slightly to the right, the Kyrie logo here. And this one also, this one is slightly to the left. And this one, the easiest part to spotting fake Kyrie Infinity. You can see the signature here is not placed right on the shape, slightly to the right, this one. And another sample again, this one is slightly come up here. You can see the lot more gap below here. And this one also, this one is slightly go down and slightly to the right. And this one also, you can see here there's no gap below here. Here also, this one also is slightly come up, there's no gap here. Another sample again, this one is slightly to the right, you can see here. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.